Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Nissan QASHQAI here. Just going to show you how to do a service reset on this one. So on this one, I'm going to use the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel and the screen on the dash in front of the steering wheel. And from here, we want to scroll across until we get to settings and clicking OK. Now scroll down, go to maintenance, press OK, then service. Now from here you want to press OK, press up, and then once you've got your service done, just press OK on the reset, yes, and now reset the service for you.